हम बता दें?
हाँ बता 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 बच्चा ऐसे ही करा नहीं ऐसे 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 हिला हिला के करा
हाँ आईफोन तो इसका ले आ लो ना।
मम्मी के साथ, पापा के साथ, दादी के साथ पढ़ाई करते हैं, फिर सोते हैं, पहले वीडियो लगाते हैं, फिर सोते हैं। तब मम्मी हाथ मुँह धोया, ड्रेस पहना, फिर स्कूल पहुँचाए। कार्टून डोरी छोटा भी आती है। ABCD मंडे शुक्रवार रोज खाओ। दाल भात और सब्जी और दाल भात और खीर भी। हम सियारिन बनेंगे, हीरोइन। सियारिन का मतलब ना तो जिसका कोई मारता है ना सियारिन पकड़ता है। सियारिन का मतलब पकड़ के चोर को देने अदालत में पकड़ाया जाता है तो सजा मिलता है। मेरा नाम है अमित। मेरा नाम है नेहा। सियारिन पकड़ के मारता है, गुंडा पकड़ लेती है तो हीरो आ जाता है। ऊंच वाला सैंडी, ऊंचा कपड़ा अच्छा लगता है, ब्रेड, मक्खन, सब्जी, दाल, भात, ब्रेड, मक्खन।
Myself Anand Mishra, and I have been working this is Learn for Life Trust since last 7 years.
Okay.
And I am interested to do social work. So Michael sir gave me this opportunity for working in this NGO as a teacher. Basically, our all kids, if this school comes from very poor family, whose parents' monthly income is 2,000 and approx 2,500. So this school give them basic elementary education, and we have 4 subjects: Hindi, English, Maths and EVS. And we give them some extra training also, like music, yoga and some other vocational course like stitching, like this. Most of the schools especially fix in their mind their aim is business, but here we don't want any business. Our aim only social work. We focus the children growth, why they are not growing, what is the problem that they have. So we note down in our school register, and then we try to remove their problems. The first of our problem is food problem, because most of the family members, they can't give them a proper food. It means proper diet. If you can't take a proper diet, how can we grow our mind? In this, slowly children are saying, this school is totally different from other school, because here teachers are not giving any force. You have to write one page Hindi and English, and you have to do more maths, maximum maths problem. First of all, you come and make a home environment look like this school. This is there is no any difference between your home and this school. It is just like your home.
You can't just take a method, a pedagogical method from the West, from another country, and put it as it is in a completely different country like India. So for example, in the West we have great methods like the Montessori or the Rudolf Steiner or the Reggio Emilia children methods, and they are great. In the West they function very well. But if you put them as they are in an Indian school, it's completely different. They can't work. So our aim is to create a meeting of cultures, of approaches, and in a very long process and in a never-ending research, we are trying to find our own way of teaching. The risk by taking a method as it is and put it in another reality, in India in this case, is to create an educational, pedagogical, and I would say cultural colonialism. And this is what we really don't want.
No water wasting. One of the things why Badi Asha School is different is that we treat everybody equal regardless their caste, gender or religion, and we teach these values to our students. Our aim is to keep the school small. We decided a maximum of 100 students, because like this we can keep a private personal touch with our students as well as the teachers and the people working at the school.
In India, children have two types of problems. One is undernutrition and another is infectious diseases. People want their children to study, but for the children themselves, if proper diet is not there and cleanliness is not there, sanitation is not there, they fall ill. Then there is no question of studying. And when the brain does not get enough oxygen, how can a child concentrate on learning new things and playing and all that? Misha and Nicole and their team, what work they are doing here, it is really useful, though the scale may not be very huge, but wherever they are working, they are making a difference, because they are providing not only with nutritious diet to the children, they are taking all-round care of these children who are coming from the poorest segment of the society.
हम 2 में और ये 1 में ड्राइंग बनाते हैं और ABCD लिखते हैं, 1 2 लिखते हैं और कंप्यूटर और ड्राइंग अच्छा लगता है और पढ़ाई बस 1 2 और क्या नाम है जोड़ घटाना है। हम लोग ड्राइंग में चिड़िया बनाते हैं, फूल बनाते हैं, पहाड़ बनाते हैं और वो सेंटा क्लॉज भी बनाते हैं, खेलते हैं और छुआछूत। डॉक्टर या फिर पुलिस, या फिर पुलिस बनेंगे और क्या। मेरे भाई को संगीत अच्छा लगता है, ट्रम्पेट भी बजा लेता है। वही जो बाजा नहीं बजाता है रोड पे शादी उदी में। सुनिए, नौरंगाबाद के आगे नौरंगाबाद चवानी है, यहाँ पे अपना स्कूल है। पास्ता मिलता है, पूड़ी सब्जी मिलता है, कभी कभी दाल चावल मिलता है, कभी खिचड़ी मिलता है। देखिए, इसका नाम असली संगम है और मेरा नाम गौरव कुमार।
फोटो खिंचा दो
One of the strong points or the focus of the project is the Women Empowerment Project, where we try to help the women to gain control of their daily life by providing work for them and education. One example is the case of Lakshmi, who came to us after she got kicked out by the family of the husband and was now living on the street with her 2 children.
सर, मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी देवी है। मेरी शादी पापा ने कर दिया। पापा जब शादी किए तो मुझे ससुराल बहुत ही कठिन मिल गया। मुझे 2 बच्चे पैदा हुए तो दोनों बच्चे को मैं किसी तरह परवरिश की। मैं 10 साल से तकलीफ़ सह रही थी। मैंने बहुत बार दरख्वास्त दी, मेरी कोई सुनवाई नहीं हुई और मेरे पति ने मुझे बहुत ही तड़पा के मुझे घर से लात मार के निकाल दिए। यही बड़ी आशा इसमें आई तो यहाँ मुझे शरण मिल गया। मैं यहाँ पे अच्छे से रहने लगी और मुझे हर एक सुविधा मिलने लगा। मेरे बच्चे खाने पीने लगे। दोनों मेरे बच्चे 1 में पढ़ते हैं। यहाँ पे हम सिलाई सिखाते हैं, सिलाई के टीचर हो गए हैं।
My name is Firdaus and I belong to Varanasi and there are 6 members in my family. I have 4 siblings and my hobbies are reading books, listening music, and I like to play badminton and carom most. This school provides us good food and dresses and all facilities. And I like to teach the children because children are the most precious gift of God. And our teachers plays a very important role in human's life, in every human's life. If we want to be a doctor, we need a teacher. If we want to be an engineer, I need a teacher. So I want to be a teacher, but we all are equal. And here nobody is high society and nobody is a low. All are equal in this school. In order to run the school and to pay the rent of the building, water, electricity and cleaning, the salary for 13 Indian teachers and many helpers for educational programs, books, pencils, paper, the furnishing, 2 healthy meals per day, breakfast and lunch, the uniform for the children, and the most important, the health care program for the pupils and their relatives. For the period of 1 month, for 90 students, we need €4,000.
Yeah.